Hello, my dear children. How are you all? So, children, today here I came with your science revision video for your upcoming week unit test. Okay, so for unit test, you just have to prepare from chapter 1, 2, and 3. And paper pattern I have already sent you in your WhatsApp. Okay, so again I am going to tell you the paper pattern. Number 1 is fill in the blanks, 4 marks. 2 is true and false, 4 marks. Matching, 5 marks. Scientific terms, 4 marks. Question answers, 4 marks. Draw and label, 4 marks. Okay, so fill in the blanks. You will have to revise from your textbook, page number 13, 21 and 30. Okay, and true false you have to revise from textbook, page number 14, page number 21 and page number 30. Okay, and matching you will have to revise from page number 22, which is given in exercise F. And scientific terms and question answer you will have to revise from your science fair notebook. Okay, and draw and label you will have to revise from your textbook, page number 13, exercise C. You just have to draw the diagram and you will have to label the diagram also. Okay. Okay, children, from lesson 1, you will have to revise exercise B, fill in the blanks. Exercise C, label the parts. You just have to practice for draw and label the diagram both. Okay, and true and false from the chapter 1. From chapter 2, you will have to revise the exercise B and C. Okay, and same you will have to revise from chapter 2, match the following, right? And from chapter 3 you will have to revise exercise B, fill in the blanks, and exercise C, true. Children, you will have to revise the scientific terms which you have already written in your science fair notebook. From lesson 1, there are total 6 scientific terms are there. Number 1 is pollination, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. Number 2 is cotyledons, the part of the seed that contains food for the baby plant. Number 3 is germination, change of a seed to a seedling. Number 4 is dispersal, scattering of seeds away from the parent plant. Number 5 is rabi crop, crops that grow in winters. Number 6 is kharif crop, crops that grow in summer. Okay. From lesson number 2, there are total 7 scientific terms are there. Number 1 is habitat, the area where a particular animal naturally lives. Second is camouflage, the ability to merge with one's surrounding. Third is herbivores, plant-eating animals. Fourth one is carnivores, flesh-eating animals. Fifth is omnivores, plant and flesh-eating animals. Sixth is rodents, animals that gnaw at their food. And seventh is migration, the movement of animals from one place to another every year. Okay? From lesson number 3, there are total 7 scientific terms and you will have to prepare for your upcoming week test. Okay? Number 1 is bone marrow, soft fatty materials inside the bones. Cartilage, a strong elastic tissue joint, a point where two bones meet. Muscles, fleshy bundle of thin elastic material in the body. Skeleton, the framework of bones that give shape to the body. Tendons, strong fibers that join bones to muscles. Ligament, a strong tissue that hold two bones together at a joint. My dear children, you all knows that from lesson number 1 there are total 10 question answers are there which you have already written your science fair notebook. So you just have to prepare from these question answers from your notebook. Okay, from lesson number 2 you can see there are total 8 question answers are there. You just have to revise from your notebook. And from lesson number 3 there are total 10 question answers are there. You just have to prepare from your notebook. Okay, so I hope you can easily understand.